Hey there everyone, Jason Depaoli here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning, and I've got a really good workout for you today. Now I hope you've been watching my videos. I should have at least, I think about 20 kettlebell workout videos that I've done for you. Now this is just involving, like you see, one kettlebell, so you can do a lot of workouts circuits with just one kettlebell. But today what I've got for you, when I finish talking, you have a look at the end of this, is a cardio strength circuit. So this circuit will hit every muscle in your body. You're going to feel this one afterwards. So I will say there is one movement in there called hot potatoes. Now you might think, oh, that's a bit strange. You have a look at it and you might think, oh, that's not going to do a lot, but it is a little bit deceiving. Okay, so you're just going to have the kettlebell in one hand, you're going to have your arms clamped in, you're going to work your core, and you're just going to literally move that kettlebell from one side to the other. Now, like I say, it looks deceiving, it looks very easy, it looks like it's not going to do a lot, but it will work your obliques, it will work your core. So you've got to have a nice, strong core, keep it braced when you're doing this, and it's going to work out that core like no other. Trust me, I've been doing this for like 18 years and it really does work. So before I let you go and see this video, the Exodus routine, please can I ask you just to like and share this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, like I say, I'll put my link onto my Instagram account. Please follow me on that, be much appreciated. Also, like I say, I've got links down below for other bits and pieces that I'm giving away. Like I've got a mobility book. If you want that, just shoot me a message and I'll be more than happy to send it over. So before I go, just thank you for watching this video, and I'll let you go and have a good one.